Hello guys, are you a beginner in forex trading? Do you want to grow your account? Do you want to make massive profit in the market? Forex trading is not really a part-time job, but if you learn forex trading very well, you might be able to make a lot of profit in it. So I will be guiding you a few steps on how to become a successful trader in the market. Now, before I go in, I would like to tell you guys a little bit of advice. If you are a beginner in forex trading, I suggest you should learn more about forex trading, not just the signals and the strategy. Yeah, you need to know more about forex trading, at least 60% about forex trading. Do you even know what is forex trading? Do you know what is buy and sell in the market? Do you know what forex trading means? Do you know the real meanings of forex trading? Now, all this you need to know as a beginner in the market before going into forex trading or before trying to participate in any market you are going in. Even if you are with the strategy or even if you are with the signals or you bought signals. Moreover, you need to learn few things about forex trading before you could actually understand exactly how to follow up the forex trading industry. Now I place this trade with a little loss size and I'm guessing we are going to be on profit, though the network is actually misbehaving or serving us not well. But let's go to the profit. Okay, we are not really in too much profit, but with a little loss I will place because I grow my account in a difficulties way. I deal and I put all my effort. If I'm to grow your account, if I'm to make massive profit, if I'm to risk how many percent of the market, if I'm to grow, if I'm to flip the account, if I'm to grow the account, that's the second and important thing you need to know in the market. First of all, as a beginner, I wouldn't advise you to go in, rush in, and start flipping your account, but you could if you have a professional marketer, or should I say a professional trader that could actually help you for an account management. That's where I come in. Now I'll be the forex trader that is going to be helping you guys to grow your account. How much equity are you with? How much equity do you have? Point you to my DM. I'll be dropping my links on my comment sections and on my description. Punch it to my DM right now and be the lucky winner and make massive profit. Even though you don't know anything about forex trading, get a chance to make massive profit and make excess massive income from forex trading without even knowing or without even participating in anything. Just watch the market and see how massive profit we made as a professional trader. Maybe you might get a little bit knowledge of how to trade and when to trade and what to do when you want to trade. That's for a fact. Now I'll be giving you guys a free Telegram channel where you will learn a lot from the market. If you're a beginner in forex trading, I recommend this particular forex trading Telegram channel for you. I mean, it's not going to be bad if you don't join, but if you join, I promise you and I assure you that you're going to be at least 60% educated in the market before going out of the market or before going out of the group, if you are even going to go out. And I recommend VIP Telegram channel for you guys that want to know everything about forex trading, everything I know, how I use and grow my account. Let me tell you for an example, if I placed this trade or if I go in this trade with a bigger lot size, tell me how much profit could I be getting in this particular trade? Yeah, I will have a lot of profit, but I decided on my own not to go into this particular trade with big loss size. Why? Because I'm actually growing this account and I'm not flipping it. Do you know what is grow and do you know what is flip? Now let me give you guys an example. Flip is a market. Flip, I don't know how to break it down to you, but flip is in a market you decided to make no less than what your capital is. in just one trade. For example, you have $100 capital, then you decided to place a trade that could actually give you $200 or $150 capital profit in join. That's a flip. But this is actually a grow because I take a profit little by little, and I assure myself that the minimum or the leverage of me losing this market or making loss is absolutely low than high. This is one thing I need to teach you guys in the market. This is why I place this trade, and this is why I want to actually explain more about this particular market in this particular place. Now I'm going to be telling you guys what I see in this market that made me enter this market. Now, if you look at this market properly, you see how bullish this market is. I'm going to advise you guys, if you're actually going into markets that you are actually sure of, please make sure you watch the market uh, charts from every corner of the market. 1 minute time frame, you see how the market is going. Look at how the market is going. Then go to 15 minutes time frame, you see how market is actually going. Go to uh 15, yeah, that was 5 minutes. Go to 15 minutes, you see how the market is actually moving. Go to 30 minutes time frame, you see how the market is actually moving. Now you go to 1 hour time frame. Before you place your trade, you must have seen a lot from this 1 minute time frame to from that 5 minutes time frame to 15 minutes time frame to 30 minutes time frame to 1 hour time frame. You must have seen the signals or strategy that actually shows that, okay, this particular market is going down. You need to see it before you actually engage yourself in the market. Yes, I'm here to actually teach you guys more about forex trading. You know, I'm here to educate you guys more. You could actually learn about forex trading, not just to manage your account, not just to add you in my VIP Telegram channel, or not just to register you in my physical or my personal or training, or not just that, but at least when you're watching my videos, you'll be educated in one or each way in order to be a successful trader in the market. Yes, that's what I want. I want everybody in the market to be a successful trader, not just losing your money in the market. Please, if you know you're going to go into market, I'm going to recommend this. If you know you're going to go into market and you're actually going to lose your money in the market, please don't risk it. If you have enough to risk, then you can actually risk it. But for those of us that don't have enough to risk, I will, and I will surely advise you. Even in my next video, in my previous video, in my last video, in my upper video, I will recommend you shouldn't go into market if you don't have enough to lose. Allow the professionals like us to manage your account, make massive profit. Then you could actually try. At least when you've gained your capital and make another extra profit, then you could actually say, okay, in the profit I made, let me take at least $10, $20, $30, $100, 1k dollars to start growing it into massive profit. Now you can risk because your capital is safe and your profit is safe also. So you can take a little from the profit and do whatever you want to do, play with the market. But I will advise you, markets, forex trading is not a place, it's not a child's play, like they say. It's not a place you could actually go, come and actually play around and go away with it. It's not really something that you guess. Yes, you can never guess at forex trading. It's not a gamble. You need to analyze and know the difficulties and know the leverage and know the higher quantity and know the stronger weight of it coming down or it's going up. So you need to know basic and light way of the market going each way in order for you to identify how the market or how the market movement is going. You need these things to become a successful trader. Without it, you are nothing. Now, we recommend you should punch into my DM with the comment section, with the link I paste on my comment section. Punch into my DM. Let me manage your account and make massive profit for you. And you see how profitable we are, and we can actually engage yourself in many colleague of yours to us and make massive profit and rejoice and make exactly how you wish to make it. Now, I will recommend you should like and comment, share this video to as many as you can. If you don't have enough friends, then come with yourself and see how profitable you are, or see how educated you could be after the ending of this particular section. I'll be giving you guys opportunity to be a successful trader. Take it or leave it, but the choice is yours. So have a nice day. See you guys in my upper video. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, don't forget, and like and comment. And don't forget, I love you guys all, and that's why I'm here, for you guys to make massive profit. Don't forget that. Have a nice day. See you guys in my next upper video.